Hey, people, I'm back. Unfortunately, well, I'll be making YouTube videos about fishing, hunting. I might play little games in here and there in there. But if y'all want me to do a little bit of playing game and fishing and hunting, subscribe down below and send me something. Let me know. But yeah, I do it. I don't care. I love fishing. I love hunting. Can't complain. So whatever y'all want me to do, I do it. For you YouTubers that love watching YouTube, I don't care to. I mean, especially on fishing, bait caster. If y'all like bait casters, comment down below. But yeah, so all you have to do, comment, shoot a text at me, whatever. I'm on Facebook, 24 hours. Give me a text or shoot me a text. What you want me to do on YouTube?